In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to build a personal brand. Specifically, we will be talking about why building your personal brand is important and how it can help you achieve your goal of getting your dream job or building a strong career. But before that, let us first talk about what is personal brand. Now, personal brand is something that makes you unique. What is it that differentiates you from the other person? What is so unique about you? What is it that you can do that others can't do so well? How do you make other person feel when they think about you or when they talk about you? That is your personal brand. Now, personal brand is something that gets built over a period of time. Now, whether you like it or not, you have already built your personal brand. So, take a few seconds and ask yourself, what kind of person have I become? What strengths do I have? What weaknesses do I have? So, this is your personal branding. So, if you don't consciously focus on developing the right kind of personal brand, then unknowingly you will have developed a personal brand which you may not be happy about. You may not even realize that you have built this kind of personal brand, but that is what others have opinion about you. So it is very important that we focus on building the right kind of personal brand, or else we will be sending out signals which are wrong and which will put us in a bad light in front of our prospect employers. But once you build the right kind of personal brand for yourself, then you can list down all the positivities that you have, all the strengths or weakness also that you have. You know a lot about yourself, and then you can focus on communicating your personal brand to the world outside, to your prospect employers, to the company that you want to work for, and you will land up your dream job. So, the first thing you should ask yourself is, what is my personal brand? Now, your personal brand is not only just positive things. You might think that I'm so good, I'm hardworking, this becomes my personal brand. No, your personal brand is the entire package that you are. It includes your strengths, it includes your weakness, it includes what is positive about you, it includes what is negative about you. Everything is included. Your personal brand is what you are inside and what you are outside. It's a combination of that. If you take pain to build the right kind of personal brand for yourself, then your personal brand will work as a GPRS. That's right. It will help you, it will guide you towards choosing the right job and building the right career for yourself, for which you can be proud of. So, if you want to be known as a professional in your field, then here I am going to share with you 3 points why you should consider developing your personal brand. So, the first reason is your personal brand will put you in control of your life and your career. Let me explain. Suppose you don't have clarity what you want to do with your life, what you want to become, what career do you want to choose. Then people around you, maybe your parents, your friends, your uncles, your aunties, they know what you should become. So what they'll do, they'll suggest become a doctor, or someone will suggest no, become an engineer, or someone will say no, go into IT or take up microbiology or take up some other subject. So they are suggesting you what you should become. No, I'm not saying that they are wrong, but they are saying what they think is right for you without understanding your personality, without knowing who you are inside and outside. So they will give you all kinds of suggestion, and you might finally pick up one because you think that in that particular field you get more salary, the job prospect is more, but that is not the right way to choose career. So, if you have taken the pain to build your personal brand, then you will understand that which field is the best for you, whether it is IT or whether it is becoming an engineer or becoming a doctor. What is it that will make you thrive in that career, not just survive? So, that is why it's very important that you build your personal brand. The second reason why you should build your personal brand is it helps you understand yourself. It helps you understand how unique you are, what differentiates you from the other person. Maybe you are studying in the same class, maybe you are best friends, but yet you are different and your friend is different. So when you work on your personal brand, you will understand that this is the quality that I have. I am really very good in this. I am an expert in this. I don't like this kind of job, so I should not get into this job. So you will be focusing only on what is the best thing for you, because you know that that is your strength. You will not work on your you will not work on something that will bring out the weakness in you. You will work in that particular field which is your strength. Now let's look at the third reason. The third reason of building your personal brand is that it becomes easy for you to make decisions regarding the job that you should take up or the career that you should choose. Let us take one example. Suppose your friend is attending a job interview and the company is offering, say, 30,000 rupees salary. Now, if you don't understand your personal brand, then you might say that, okay, let me also go and attend that job interview because they are offering good salary. So you go there and then you might get rejected, or even if you are selected, after a few months you will find out that no, this is not the right job for me, because you did not make a calculated decision. You did not go to attend that job interview with your strength. You just went there because the company was offering a lucrative salary. But that is not right. That is why it is very important to focus on what kind of personal brand you have. Don't keep on running behind a job just because they are offering good salary. Every field has same opportunity where you can excel, you can become rich, you can fulfill your goals. It is just that you need to understand which is that field that you fit in. So that were the 3 points why you should focus on building your personal brand. Finally, before I conclude, I would like to tell you one very important thing. One key thing that will help you skyrocket your career is building your personal brand. So it's time to get to work and start building your personal brand. Thank you for watching my video. Hope the content of this video added value and it will help you when you go out for job interview. Do share this video with your friends if you think that they can also benefit from the message. Please share it with them. And also I would like you to subscribe to my channel. So because on this channel I keep on posting videos related to job interview, personality development, personal development, and how to become better, how to become more productive. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel and also press on the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I post a new video. And also, if you have any queries related to job interview or regarding personal development, then do ask me in the comment section and I will try to answer that question to the best of my knowledge, or maybe I can even create a video on that particular topic. So take care and I will see you in the next video.